In this book I have been gathering texts related to these areas that I have been writing, as well as addenda to other books already written. Planning, management, administration, and related areas. Business administration. After a lot of ideas, then there are some ideas that could generate profit, a form of business. But with the idea of business comes the need to manage it, a multitude of different factors among themselves, in this case a discipline already known as business administration. Within the business administration discipline you learn if many topics like Ishikawa diagram, life cycle extended of the incident, foul tree value chain, organization chart, data model, etc. A way to study the IDLE framework in conjunction with BPMN. Copy IDLE titles in BPMN drawings, steps. You can still study only the framework and its initial acronym as TMEF TMI CFIA. Within project drafting, administration, planning, etc. can use technical terms in English for the beautification of writing. An example would be rule of thumb, golden rule, or even appeal to mathematics with precise formulas that, unless it is mistakenly interpreted, cost-benefit metrics. Within the administration there are several strategies for the good management of a system, as in the case of a complex organization. You can even choose between hiring people for a specific role and an external company that does the job you want. As in the case of separating the system into parts and gradually developing an example, it compares a VGA cable that transforms VGA into HDMI because you can use the cable in other things instead of if there was an integrated HDMI on the board could use in that system, while the cable is much more profitable. In the strategy of companies, many times there are several alternatives of attack. You should write an analysis about using everything you have at once instead of evolving what you have, or use a little and save so that don't miss alternatives. Viable business and business administration. With the current use of electronic means, it would be interesting to develop forms of production of cheap electric energy, a form already seen in the series Black Mirror, where the characters pedal on electric bicycles and thus generates electric energy. One realizes that it would be a profitable form of production of electrical energy, some machine of the type that through human movement a dynamo turns and produces electrical energy. A machine that transforms movement into electricity will be interesting if you think of simple movements, circular rotor that transforms linear or circular movement into electrical energy, or even if you take advantage of the physical energy of fitness centers, standard equipment such as an ergonomic bicycle. Another point interesting would be its availability, considering that during certain periods people would have less income. It can be done in a container attached to a pallet, which would increase the mobility of the system. Paying at PayPal, Mercado Pago.